Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Okay, okay, okay. Hey, Tina, stop. Guys, stop it, stop it. Stop, I said, everyone stop. So, how are you guys doing? Is everything fine over there? Where are the pups? Hello. Hey, sweeties. Good morning. I'm here. Who'd like to come? Ah, Simba is there. In front. There's Simba. Simba, come on. Come, honeys. Okay. The sweeties are coming. Come on, come on. Come. All right. So, Mary and Tina, Paul, how are you doing, everyone? Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. Well, all of us also doing good over here. So, where is Tom? Tom, 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 would you like to come? Hello, sweeties. Hello, hello, hello. Look at Simba. He's sitting over there. He's so matured, you know. He behaves very matured and very, kind of experienced person. Right, Paul? Tina? Tina? Oh, she's busy in eating herself. Mary? Look at me, Mary. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with Paul. He, without any consent or without any kind of warning, suddenly he starts chasing a vehicle or he starts barking a person. That's what it does. Okay, let me open the gate. I want to check out how are the pups. Well, let's check how are they doing. Well, so all of them are over here. As you can see, I have opened the gate and have helped them to come over here. Hey. So, sweeties, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. How do you? How doing? Where's Simba? Hello, Simba. That's Simba. They seem very happy because they're walking freely in a neat and clean place under the open sky. That's making them happy, literally. Oh, they want to have milk. Look, this is Simba actually, and he's the one. He knows very well how to have milk, how to get the milk, and he knows the tricks and strategy. Look, everyone is looking for the milk, but Simba is very strong. He's stick to the milk. He's having continuously, but others are just roaming around to in search of milk. Tina, don't drink this water. I will give you water, honey. Hey, Tina. Even this water is very dirty. Wait, honey, I'm just... Okay, so... What happened to both of you? This one and this one, they're not getting milk. Oh, Suris, go there, honey. Go. Go and have the milk. Come, I will help you. This one is the smallest one, and he's the one who doesn't get the milk properly, Mary, help them, Mary. That one got milk. And you also try to search, honey. The smallest one, the weakest one, they are always deprived of having milk and having all kind of opportunities. The one who can fight, the one who can the one who is strong, he or she can only survive properly and nicely, right, Mary? My city Mary. Hey, where are you going? Oh, that one didn't get milk and he's going that side. Look at Simba. This is Simba, the strongest one, the powerful one. That's why he's very healthy and he's growing up and he's becoming matured very soon. And the rest of them actually, especially that one and this one, they're small in size and they are not that much healthy also comparison to others. Honey, you come here. Oh, that one is sitting over there. Come, Siri. It's okay. You just be here. You be here. Have some milk from here. Have some milk. Okay, I have brought some biscuits for Mary and all today. Yeah, these are the biscuits. I have brought 4 packets of biscuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to give them the biscuit now. Alright, so let's give them biscuits as Mary needs food. She's feeding her puppy. Okay. Well, Mary, have it, honey. Mary needs always lots of food. Lots and lots of food. Who's crying? Paul! Paul is crying over there? You went there, honey? Come. What happened? Come? Oh, come, Siri, come. And Tom is there also. Tom, you also come, honey. Come outside. Come, Paul. Oh, I think Paul is not. Paul is having big body, and that's why he can't come through this small space. I need to open the space, I think. Mary, have it. Oh, China and Mary, stop being so. Tom is there. Okay. Actually, I have locked that place. Well, Paul, come. Then why did you enter into there, man? I don't know when he has gone inside. That's Come outside. Come first. Do first. Come. Come outside, both of you. Oh, hey. Look at them. What's wrong with them? Why are you attacking her? Tina. Okay, let me lock the door. Well, actually, after bringing out Paul and Tom, Tina and Mary, they started attack to Tom. So I stopped them, and right now everything is okay. This is so hilarious, And this one, these people are continuously having milk from Mary. And I'm feeding biscuits to Mary. Tina, you have from here, honey. Have it. Look at them, they're continuously having, oh my god, they're very hungry actually. Mary. Okay, on the other hand, Tom is waiting there so eagerly. Tom, come honey. Have it, have it. Hey, no one will attack. No one, Tina. Nobody will fight with nobody, right? Listen to me carefully, Mary. And Tina especially. Paul is also eating biscuits. Mary, move that side, I'll place over here. Have it. Tina, you have from there. This is Simba. Hello, Simba. Simba's walking around. Comparison to their age, they are all of them are very matured actually. Hey, Paul, move around, move aside. Tom Ham, Tina, now come here, come this side. Let her eat. Nobody. Paul, Mary. Tom, have it. Tom. Hey, Mary. Tom, that's yours. Tom, have it. Mary. Oh. Hey, Paul. What's problem? What's wrong with you? They're small, tiny babies. You shouldn't react like that, right? No. You stupid. No. Hey. Oh. Look at them. I don't know what's wrong. This is very bad, All of them started chasing to that person. One person is going. Why, Mary? Why, Paul? Tina is still barking at the person. The person is going through by bike and that's. What is this? I don't understand their strategy and everything like that. Tom, come over here. Tom, come on. Tina, I have. Tom, come on. Why are they again shouting? Oh, look at them. That's not even required. Well, I will just give them some food now and I'll go back. I'm just running out of time. Okay, have a good day, have a good night everyone. Bye bye, take care.